If you're experiencing issues with voice chat in Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and boost your voice chat functionality. Step 1. Check Game Settings. Navigate to the Game Settings menu and ensure that voice chat is enabled. Look for options related to voice chat and confirm that they are set to your preference. Step 2. Verify audio input/output. Go to your system's audio settings and check that the correct microphone and speakers are selected. Make sure your microphone is functioning properly and is not muted. Step 3. Adjust in-game voice chat volume. Within the game, locate the audio settings and adjust the voice chat volume. Increase the volume to ensure you can hear other players clearly. Step 4. Test your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for voice chat. Run a speed test to ensure your connection is strong and stable. If necessary, reset your router or switch to a wired connection. Step 5. Restart the gaming console/PC. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve issues. Exit the game completely, restart your console or PC, and then relaunch the game to see if the voice chat is working. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and enhance your voice chat experience in Red Dead Redemption 2. If problems persist, consider checking online forums or the game support page for further assistance.